Okay, so now that we have our scene cleaned up, let's go on modeling here. First of all, let me switch here to the quad view again. And I think we are going to model here maybe that little wing type that's connected to that nose. Yeah, let's just create a polygon cube here, and let's move it here in front, and switch here to the side view, move it up, and let's move some verts here. Okay, let's check out the side from the top view here. Let's move. First of all, we might want to delete the one half of it. So go to edge mode. Select one edge here. Control, right click, go to the edge ring utilities to edge ring and split, and then go to face mode. Select those faces and delete those. And then go to object mode, and then we move that cube here. So I'm looking here at this edge here in the background, just move it over it, and then select those verts here and move those out. Okay. Now let's go to the side view here, insert a few edge loops. Click here on insert edge loop tool. Let's give it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should be enough. And now we are moving some verts. Take those, move those down, deselect the last one here, deselect this one, bring it down, and where the last one, somewhere about here. And then we do the same here on the bottom part. Let's move those up, select the last one, or deselect the last one, and again, like that. And yeah, let's move those, move it up here, deselect this one, and finally move the last one up here. And then we take those three here, move it down just a little bit, take the last two and the last one somewhere about here. Let's check it out from the perspective view. Yeah, we got that wing type of shape created here. Let's delete the history if we wanted to. And okay, so later on we might want to insert some more edge loops here when we try to smooth that out, but that's not necessary right now because we have to create that nose first to connect this thing to it. And then, but yeah, let's just leave it like it is for now, and let's take a look at the background image here. So we have that little wing here, so we get the same almost the same shape here on top of that car and on the side here. So let's just duplicate our object here, hit Control D, and then I move the copy back here, and let's go to the side view, hit F to frame in on that, zoom out a little bit, and let's move it up here. It's almost the same shape. Okay, and let's go to vertex mode. Move those verts here. Let's try to match it up with a edge flow from our reference image. Just move those verts into position, just roughly. Okay. So let's check it out from the top view. I think we have to move it in here, and it's almost the same width here, as you can see, which is cool. It's less work. So let's move those just a tiny bit in. Alright, I think I'll leave it like this for now. So we get two little wings, and we get the, as you can see here, almost the same shape up here. But it's looking a little bit different, because if you take a look from the front, you see that wing type here, which has something coming out here on top. So yeah, let's just hit Control D, duplicate again that guy, and then we move it here somewhere, and then let's go to vertex mode, select all those verts, and then I hold down X to grid snap and snap it here to the grid. And now we have to figure out, first of all we have to move that. Okay, so I think if we are going to vertex mode, again we have to match those verts. Okay, we can go in here, go to edge mode. Let me go to perspective so that you can see this a little bit better. So we could go in here and double click here on that edge loop. So I have that whole edge loop selected here, and then go here up here to delete edge or vertex, which is found under mesh, edit mesh, delete edge or vertex here. That's this button here. So I click on that, and now we can move the rest of that guy. Okay, so let's go in here and first of all select the wing here and delete the history, freeze the transforms if we wanted to, and yeah, let's give this a name here. Just call it wing 01 for now. Do the same here with this object. Delete the history, freeze the transforms, and let's call this one wing 02. What a surprise. And yeah, let's try to work on this top wing here. As you can see on those background images, we have to extrude some faces. Check it out from the top view here. Okay, let's insert an edge loop. Go here to insert edge loop tool. Insert it right here. And yeah, let's select all those faces here on the inside and hit extrude, and then switch to quad view, and let's extrude those faces out somewhere about here. Okay, yeah, we have to work on this a little bit more. So let me select this face here on the inside, and then shift and double click on the face next to it so that it selects the face loop, and let's hit delete on the keyboard. We don't need those. And okay, let's let me try something. I want to change the geometry here on the end, so let's select the two faces here and delete those as well. We might want to go to the side view. Move this back here, and this one as well, and then to close this off here, select the little edge here in the center, and then extrude, and then let me hit W to move the extrusion only in X, and I want to snap it to the grid. So hold down X and move it in X to snap it here to the grid, to the center of the grid. And now we want to close the two holes that we have in here. Yeah, let's use the append polygon tool, which is this little button here, and this is going to be found under edit mesh, append to polygon tool here. So I click here on that button, and then left click on the one edge and left click on the corresponding one, hit enter, and then I hit G to repeat the last tool, and again click here on the one edge, left click on the next one or corresponding one, hit enter. Okay, now it's only, yeah, I think a matter of tweaking. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm happy with the extrusion here. Yeah, it should work. It should work. I think I'm gonna pause this video, and in the next video we try to finish up the rest of that piece of geometry here.